Workfront, Asana. If you're looking for project management software, then today you are in the right place. We are going to put them head to head. We want to know what features they offer, as well as explore some of their drawbacks and see which one is best suited for your personal needs. Well, without further ado, let's dive in. Adobe Workfront, here we are. Let's dig in a little bit deeper. Streamlined enterprise planning. So Workfront actually centralizes campaign planning and work orchestration into one platform. It connects siloed information for clear project insights. Interactive calendars and timelines give role-specific visibility, ensuring alignment as well as collaboration across your enterprise. You get customized templates, you get automated review stages, AI-based brief creations, and there is no developer needed for all of this. So you can build automation processes without having the knowledge of coding, and you can reduce repetitive tasks, save tons of time and effort on these tasks, and you can focus on more priority tasks. You get accurate allocation. So their comprehensive resource management system estimates and budgets resources across multiple initiatives effectively. Manage your teams and project schedules globally to maximize productivity. And ideally, it identifies shortages early and adjusts resources to avoid any delays. The last thing that we talk about here is their advanced review and approval system. So it has a multi-format support system, so you can review static, web, audio, and video content easily and seamlessly. It has an interactive review tool, so you can use their side-by-side comparison with unlimited proofs and a mobile proofing, which is great. And it has custom roles and multi-stage approvals tailored to your specific needs. And it supports electronic signatures and private review stages, which is also wonderful. One or two of their drawbacks is their complex implementation. So with all of their features, it can be quite complex to start up. You may need some training, some additional time, or some expert support. Alright, so if you haven't heard of Asana, you have been living under a rock. Asana actually offers powerful project management tools to organize work in a visual representation. Tasks can be broken down into more customizable sections like ready or in progress or done, which is great. You can actually also have your projects feature personalized cover images and flexible task configurations for your team's specific needs. This is great if you need to just break down more complex things into simplified little boxes. Also, you get this timeline view, right? So this feature actually provides a clear visual overview of project progress in a Gantt chart style. It actually displays task dependencies as well as each milestone, helping your team meet a deadline when it needs to. Also, the timeline promotes collaboration and adapts to project changes. You get visual progress tracking, task dependencies, as well as a flexible workflow plan. The workflow, talking about the workflows and their automations, Asana actually offers 36 automation options to streamline repetitive tasks and your processes. Rules can assign tasks, update statuses, and send notifications automatically. This, of course, can save you tons of time on that manual, mundane, boring stuff. And you can actually focus more on high-value work or more high priority. Also, goals and reporting. So Asana helps set company-wide goals and track progress in real time. This means that while it's setting company-wide goals, you can also set team-wide and individual goals, and this can all be tracked in real time. Custom dashboards visualize metrics like project status and team workload, and reports align daily tasks with strategic objectives, which boost your transparency as well as your accountability. This is amazing. The last thing, of course, we need to talk about what it's going to cost you and how hard it is to learn. yes, there are one or two drawbacks. So paid plans are a little bit more costly for smaller teams. If you are a small team or a small organization, maybe their cost is not aligned with your budget. Also, because it's so feature rich, it can be quite overwhelming. There's tons of features. You may even need to get some additional training so that you can really use the software as best to its ability. So there you go, folks. Project management software at a glance. The key takeaway here really is to explore both of these tools and see which one fits your personal needs. If this was helpful, drop us a like and we will see you next time.